कार्यक्रमः समग्रे प्रपञ्चे आचर्यते। श्रावणपूर्णिमायां संस्कृतदिनम् इति संस्कृतदिनस्य आचरणं भवति। श्रावणपूर्णिमातः दिनत्रयात् पूर्वम् एवं दिनत्रयम् अनन्तरं संस्कृतसप्ताहः इति वयम् आचरामः। अतः अस्मिन् वर्षे जुलै 31 दिनाङ्कतः अगस्ट् 6 दिनाङ्कपर्यन्तं संस्कृतसप्ताहः इति संस्कृतसप्ताहस्य आचरणं भवति। तत्र तृतीयदिनाङ्के अगस्ट् मासस्य तृतीयदिनाङ्के संस्कृतोत्सवः इति कश्चन विशिष्टः संस्कृतभाषायाः निमित्तं विशिष्टः कार्यक्रमः समग्रे प्रपञ्चे आचर्यते। यथा कन्नडभाषायाः भवतु, अन्यभाषायाः भवतु, हिन्दीभाषायाः वा भवतु, हिन्दीदिनं कर्नाटकराज्योत्सवः अथवा कन्नडदिनं यथा आचर्यते तथा संस्कृतभाषायाः अपि एकं दिनम् इति अङ्गीकृत्य श्रावणपूर्णिमायाः दिनं संस्कृतदिनम् इति वयम् आचरामः। अतः संस्कृतस्य विशिष्टं स्थानम् अस्ति इति वयं सर्वेपि जानीमः। अस्माकं कार्यक्रमस्यापि अयमेव उद्देश्यः यत् संस्कृतस्य प्रचारः समग्रभारते समग्रविश्वे भवतु, सर्वेपि संस्कृतं पठन्तु, सर्वे अपि संस्कृतभाषायाः लाभान्विताः भवन्तु इति अस्माकम् उद्देश्यम्। एतद् मनसि निधाय अस्माभिः संस्कृतसप्ताहस्य अङ्गतया अनेकाः कार्यक्रमाः अत्र वयं जूम् माध्यमेन एवं फेस्बुक् लाइव माध्यमेन आयोजयन्तः स्मः। मैं आप संस्कृत में थोड़ा बताता हूँ तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगा, तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया तो हिंदी में भी बताऊंगा। तो इसलिए हम सभी यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं कि संस्कृत दिवस और संस्कृत सप्ताह के अंगतया हम कुछ विशेष कार्यक्रम आयोजन कर रहे हैं। तो आज का दिन हम संस्कृत सप्ताह का पहला दिन मानते हुए हम कुछ उद्घाटन के रूप से हम आज शुरू करेंगे। तो वयम् इदानीं गुरुअष्टकम् इति एकं संस्कृत प्रपञ्चे शङ्कराचार्याणां यत् स्तोत्रपरम्परा अस्ति, तत्र गुरुअष्टकम् इति प्रसिद्धमस्ति। तस्य पठनं वयम् अस्माभिः इदानीं कुर्मः। अहं वदामि, भवन्तः अपि वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति। शरीरं सुरूपं तथा वा कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं कलत्रं धनं पुत्रपौत्रादि सर्वं गृहं बान्धवा सर्वमेतद्धि जातम् मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं षडङ्गादिवेदो मुखे शास्त्रविद्या कवित्वादिगद्यं सुपद्यं करोति मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं विदेशेषु मान्यः स्वदेशेषु धन्यः सदाचारवृत्तेषु मत्तो न चान्यः मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं क्षमामण्डले भूपभूपालवृन्दैः सदा सेवितं यस्य पादारविन्दम् मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं यशो मे गतं दिक्षु दानप्रतापाज्जगद्वस्तु सर्वं करे यत्प्रसादात् मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं न भोगे न योगे न वा वाजिराजौ न कान्तामुखे नैव वित्तेषु चित्तम् मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम् अरण्येन वा स्वस्य गेहे न कार्ये न देहे मनो वर्तते मे स्वनर्घ्ये मनश्चेन्न लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततः किं ततः किं ततः किं ततः किम्। एवं गुरुवष्टकम् इति वयं वदामः। एतत् शङ्कराचार्येण रचितम् अस्ति। अतः अस्मिन् कार्यक्रमे सर्वेषामपि वयं हार्दं स्वागतं व्याहरामः। यतोहि अयं कार्यक्रमः अद्य न समाप्यते। ये कार्यक्रम आज ही संपूर्ण नहीं होगा, कल भी ये कार्यक्रम नए नए विषयों के साथ जुड़ेगा। कल ज्योतिष्य का परिचय होगा और परसों साहित्य का परिचय और उसके बाद व्याकरण का परिचय और इंडियन फिलॉसफी इति यद् वदामः भारतीय दर्शन उसका परिचय। ऐसे ही 4-5 विषयों के साथ हम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है। इसलिए आज हम अद्य वयं संस्कृतस्य विषये अथवा संस्कृतस्य महत्त्वं किं, संस्कृतभाषायाः वैशिष्ट्यं किम् इत्यस्मिन् विषये अद्य वयं किञ्चित् ज्ञातुं वयं सर्वेपि उत्सुकाः स्मः। अतः अस्माकं मध्ये विराजमानः अस्ति गणेशः इति श्रीमान् गणेश महोदयः। सः सुराना इति महाविद्यालयस्य संस्कृतविषये प्राध्यापकः अस्ति। सः संस्कृतभाषायाः महत्त्वं वैशिष्ट्यम् इति विषये प्रास्ताविकं वदिष्यति।
धन्यवादः अश्विन् महोदयः। पूर्वं वयं तु प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। अस्माकं संगठनस्य प्रार्थना एषा अस्ति। संस्कृतभारतीतः अपि एषा प्रार्थना प्रार्थ्यते। ततः आरम्भं कुर्मः। भवन्तः द्रष्टुं शक्नुवन्ति। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम्। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सर्वमङ्गलदातारौ पार्वती परमेश्वरौ गणेशस्कन्दसंयुक्तौ वन्दे वाञ्छितसिद्धये। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामविद्यवतो। ॐ सरस्वत्यै नमः। नमो नमः। अद्य वयं संस्कृतोत्सवस्य शुभावसरे स्मः। Today we are in Sanskrit days. It's a special occasion for us who those are learning Sanskrit, who those who want to learn Sanskrit, who those are in Sanskrit field. So अद्यदारभ्य 6 दिनानि यावत् संस्कृतोत्सवः आभारते विविध संघटना पक्षतः आचर्यते. Not only we are celebrating Sanskrit Day, also many organizations are celebrating Sanskrit Day. तासु संघटनासु अस्माकं संघटना api eka. Our organization is also one among them. Not only one we are celebrating Sanskrit Day, also we are also one among them. संस्कृतस्य प्रसारं लक्ष्यीकृत्य आरब्धः अयं समूहः. Our main theme was we have to completely percolate the Sanskrit language in our society. Sanskrit should Sanskrit should reach our society. People should start to learn it. When people they start to learn it, then only easily we can everywhere reach Sanskrit through Sanskrit language. So we started this our page or our group Samskrita Bhasha Prapancha. As much as possible, through this people can get utilization. We are conducting many free classes through our Samskrita Bhasha Prapancha. Also, we are taking through paid classes. So our motive is Sanskrit should reach people. People should start to learn it. संस्कृतस्य so asya samuhasya dve dhyeya vakye stah. We'll say which are they. Two things are there. One is we have to, as much as possible, people should start to recognize themselves with Sanskrit language. If we are identifying a person, which means it should be with Sanskrit language. He is a Sanskrit person. Ayam Samskrita Janaha. इति जनाः यदा वदन्ति तदा किञ्चित् प्रयोजनं भवति इति मम आशा. कथं संस्कृतं समाजे आनीतुं प्रभवामः. How to bring Sanskrit then to our society? It's very tough. When people start to learn themselves, then only easily we can reach them through Sanskrit. If people are not interested to learn Sanskrit, if they are not ready towards the Sanskrit to take the classes or to learn the grammar parts or to learn the spoken classes, how to teach them, how to reach them? कथं जनाः संस्कृतभाषायाः उपयोगं कुर्युः? How they are going to utilize it, how they are going to use Sanskrit language? कथं संस्कृतं जनभाषा भविष्यति? How language becomes people language? Right now we have many languages with us, especially in our India. Mother tongue we have regional languages, but among those languages, how we have to reach Sanskrit till the people? Right? How Sanskrit becomes janabhasha, right? People's language. इत्यादीनां विमर्शात् परं चिन्तनं कुर्मश्चेत् प्रथमतया अयं विषयः आगच्छति. संस्कृतेन भाषणं भवेत् सर्वत्र समाजे. When we start to do conversation through Sanskrit, then only it's possible to bring Sanskrit everywhere. We can reach people through Sanskrit language. सर्वकारः वदति, or government is saying, what it is saying? Samskrita bhasha vaktarah eva na santi. There are no people who are talking Sanskrit. Especially we can observe in our society, if we learn Sanskrit language, then also we do not use it. Among us, which is our mother tongue, we start to do conversation with that particular language. But actually, we have to talk in Sanskrit language if we learned it. Otherwise, we can start to use Sanskrit language after learning. Right? First learn and then teach. This is our motive. First, if you are not aware about it, learn it. It takes a little more time. That's okay. No problem. What is going to happen from it? Right? किमपि भवति वा? किमपि न भवति. वयं तु लसनं कर्तुं शक्नुमः, लसितुं शक्नुमः, सरलतया लसितुं शक्नुमः. अतः सर्वकारः वदति संस्कृतभाषा वक्तारः एव न सन्ति। कथं संस्कृतं निश्चयरूपेण आनयामः? Bring it compulsorily in our society. Is that possible? Government is asking that. जनानाम् आग्रहः यदा भवति तदानीम् एव संस्कृतं सर्वत्र आनयामः. यदा people start to demand for Sanskrit, then only easily we can bring Sanskrit. We can give Sanskrit to study. If people are not demanding for that, we can give it like or production. When we do production, when demand comes, then only we do production. If demand is not there, what's the use of that production? So similarly, here also, first demand should be created. Janana agraha bhavet. जनाः न पृच्छन्ति चेत् कथं वयं दातुं शक्नुमः इति सर्वकारः पृच्छति। यदा संस्कृतं पठितुं जनानां चिकीर्षा भविष्यति, right? When they become fond of that, when they start, I will learn Sanskrit, whatever reason it may be, I will learn Sanskrit. When they think in that way, then only we can give Sanskrit. We can easily introduce Sanskrit everywhere. तदा संस्कृतं वैष्टिकरूपेण विद्यालयेषु अपि दद्मः. We can give Sanskrit language compulsorily in our schools. वैष्टिकरूपेण compulsorily. There is no option. How we are learning English language till now. Like that, we can also learn Sanskrit language as a compulsory language. This is not my words. This is government, our government, which told, when it told same things. I'm repeating that. So people should start to ask for Sanskrit language. भारतस्य कार्यालयीय भाषा रूपेण स्वीकर्तुम् अपि सक्षमाः भवेम. Government is not saying only that. Also, government is saying not only in schools, not only in society, we can make it as an official language. We can bring it. We should do business. We should talk in Sanskrit, right? In our offices also, especially government offices, right? When it becomes official language, people should ask. We need Sanskrit language. So, आहत्य सर्वकारः वदति व्यवहारभाषा संस्कृतं भवेत्. Right? So our conversation should happen in Sanskrit. Official language should become Sanskrit. And also when it becomes Vyavahara Bhasha, when every day we start to talk in the Sanskrit language, then only easily Sanskrit will reach each and every person. Right? Not only one, each and every person Sanskrit will reach. There is no doubt about it. अस्माकं प्राचीनतमा उत्कृष्टा वैज्ञानिकी, right? We have many type of slogans on Sanskrit. We'll say prachinatama, it's very old language. Utkrishta, superior language, also we are saying. Vajnaniki, scientific language. Devanam bhasha, God's language. Not only that, also bhashanam janani will say. This is a mother tongue, mother language for all other languages. Right? Bhashanam janani. Janani means mother, right? For other languages. Spashta bhasha, very clear language. There will be no doubt at all on it. Sushtu bhasha, very clear and crystal, like our water. Our water is clear and crystal. Sanskrit language is also very clear and crystal. So, but what's happening today? Adhuna mrita bhasha rupena angikhriyate. We are accepting that. Already we accepted, right? How we accepted? Sanskrit is a dead language. There is no use from Sanskrit language. We are saying that. We are means not Sanskrit people, most outsiders who doesn't know Sanskrit. Sometimes also we can consider who those learned Sanskrit. They are also saying Sanskrit is dead language. There is no use from it. Right? ये संस्कृतं पठन्ति ते अध्यापकाः भवन्ति, ये संस्कृतं पठन्ति ते तु शिक्षकवृत्तिं कुर्वन्ति। केवलम् इत्येव वयं जानीमः, परन्तु वयं न जानीमः संस्कृतम् अधीत्य अपि अन्येषु क्षेत्रेषु उद्योगं प्राप्तुं सक्षमाः भवेम. We can also get job from Sanskrit in other fields also. And also after that we are saying, we know the reason also. What is the reason for it? Why it's considered as a dead language? Because Samskrita bhasha vyavahariya bhasha nasti. Every day we are not using Sanskrit language while talking. Vyavahariya bhasha nasti. If you are not using Sanskrit language, how it becomes a live language, right? We can consider Kannada, we can consider Hindi, we can consider Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, which are their regional languages. Still, why they are with us? Because we are using it, we are talking through those languages, right? Similarly, Sanskrit also, we can, if we take it as a serious language, if we start to talk in Sanskrit language, definitely there is no doubt Sanskrit will reach every person. Sanskrit also becomes our India's one of the first language, right? After that, also we are saying आधुनिके भारते संस्कृतस्य आवश्यकता का. What is the use of Sanskrit language in this modern era? And we are living with machines, we are using for everything almost computers. Humans are only not needed. Then Samskrita bhashayaha prayojanam kim? What is the use of it? So prasiddha uktireva asti, right? We have a special praise. What is that? Samskriti samskritashrita. Right? Samskriti means culture. Also we can take it as a tradition. Whatever we are following, the tradition or culture, samskritashrita, is depending on Sanskrit. Whatever culture you are following, everything is included in Sanskrit language. Not only that, also we can also say that Sanskritam vina Sanskritir nasti. Without Sanskrit, there is no Sanskriti, there is no culture, right? And after that, if Sanskriti nasti chet, okay, we don't want Sanskriti, we don't want culture, we don't want tradition. Why we need it? Then Sanskriti vina janaikyata nasti. There is no bonding happens between the people. Bonding or bondage only will not happen between the people, right? So because of that, we'll say Sanskriti vina janaikyata nasti. Okay, bondage is not required between the people. We will do our work, they will do their work. Is it happen? Is it going to happen? Can we accept that? And also no. Aikyatam vina sangha jivanam eva nasti. We cannot live our life together. Right? If bondage is not there between us, then not only that, also we are saying sahajivanam nasti चेत् और संघजीवनं नास्ति चेत् कार्याणि सम्पादयितुं न शक्नुमः. If we are not in an organization, if we don't have unity, if we are not supporting other person in any type of work, then what happens? Karyani sampaditum na shaknumah. We cannot complete the work, right? Are we able to do all type of work alone? Is it possible? If we ask, no, we cannot do it, right? Karyani agre taramaschit katham jivema. If we are karyani agre na saramaha. If you are not carrying the work forward, how to lead our life? Without work, how we can lead our life? Is it possible? And also we are saying no. It's also not possible. And after that, we are saying Jivanasya artha kaha. What is the meaning of our life? Why we are here? Jivanasya uddeshyah kaha. what are the objectives of our life. If we are here, means there should be a reason, there should be a objective in our life. We should keep it. Without objective, we cannot achieve anything. We know that. So prashnatita eva bhavati. When we cannot question. Why we cannot question it? We are not doing the work which is required in our society as of now. So prashnatita eva bhavati. Cannot question it. Right? Why we are here? What is our goal? What is our objectives? When we can able to question, or when we are able to question, when we start to study Sanskrit, when we are following our culture, when we are following our tradition, when our bondage is very strong between us, then we can say, oh yes, this is my goal. I will do job, right? I will earn money from someone. I will complete, that is my goal, right? Earning money is my goal. Many people will say, I have to earn money, I have to go to that job, this job, I become doctor, I become an engineer. But what is the actual goal? Okay, you have earned it. After that, what you are going to do? Just think on that. Next, also we are saying, Manavaha Sangha Jivanaha. We need people with us. We cannot lead our life alone. That's because of it only. Always we say, Manavaha Sangha Jivanaha, Praninaha Sangha Jivanaha. Without others' help or without other person, we cannot live our life. Sanghe Shakti Riti Vachananusaram Sahajivanam Apekshitam Animaryam cha. Right? We need Sangha Jivanam. We need other people with us. So Ataha Samskritasya Animaryata Samaje Bhavati. It's a necessity now to learn Sanskrit language. There is no other option. If you are not learning, slowly we are only lacking our culture. We are only spoiling our tradition. We know if we are spoiling our tradition or culture, what happens. So also nowadays it's like that. Prayojanamandishya namandopi pravrdate. If advantage is not there, if benefits are not there, no one will do that work. Right? Now we reach that situation. So after that, the second segment, Sanganakasya krite upayukta sampurna bhasha samskritameva. Right? We heard it somewhere. What we heard? For computer, suitable language is Sanskrit. Is it true? Right? So NASA says, NASA janaha uktavantaha. Agrima divaseshu sanganakasya bhasha samskrita bhasha bhavishyati. Completely computer language will become Sanskrit. Now we are using binary language, digits we are using as a code language, but in our future days, definitely we are going to use Sanskrit as a computer language. Vayam tu tadartham karyanirataha smaha. We are doing work on that. We are researching on that. We are doing samshodhana on that particular thing. Process is going on. It's not my words. It's NASA people. They have given statement. Then, so after that, agami dinasheshu samskrita bhasha anivarya bhavishyati. Right? Ityat nasti sandeha, nasti samshaya. There is no doubt at all. There is samshiti nasti. Definitely Sanskrit will come in our future days, and also like without option. Then Chamukrishna Shastri Varyaha vadanti. We know Chamukrishna Shastri Varyaha, what he says. He's very active in his Twitter account. Right? Almost every day he tweets about Sanskrit. So among one I have got that tweet, I have seen that. So he says, Lipi Vishayi Bhutasya Sanskritasya Dhvani Vishayi Karanam Avashyakam iti. Right? He says, now we have all Sanskrit languages, what we are using, everything is like a manuscript. In script we have, in writings we have. Then it should become Vishayikaranam, Dhvani Vishayikaranam. It should come from our mouth, right? It should become a sound. When it becomes sound, whichever we have in our manuscript, then only easily Sanskrit becomes our society language, our local language, right? And then tadartham vayam sarve sangatitaah bhavema, right? This need, as of now, we have to make gather, we have to make get together, and then Samskrita karyam sadhayamaha. We have to achieve Sanskrit work, whichever comes. So I will do that. Okay, I have to teach for this Sanskrit language. I will learn this much. So whatever I learned, I will teach it to other people who those are interested to learn Sanskrit language, who those are Sanskrit devotees, right? Samskrita bhaktaha will say. So I will teach to them. And after that, through that, what we are going to do, Yuvam Namabharatam Samskrita Bhasha Anayanena Rachayamaha. Right? We can make new Bharata, new country. That also Yuva Bharata is like youth. Our backbone is our youth, we'll say. So we'll make that. And then Samskritam Bharatam Samanta Bharatam Bhavishyati Ityatra Nasti Samshitihi. When Sanskrit comes to our Bharata, there is no doubt our Bharata will also become Samartha Bharata. It also becomes a developed country. There is no doubt at all. So after that, we'll say these are the things we have to keep in our mind. So think on that. Start to learn Sanskrit. Whatever you are learning, teach it to others. And whatever you are learning, start to talk those words. Start to talk. We know in the beginning how we brought English language. Like we were saying butler English. English speakers were very, very less. Like slowly we started to use English language, and now everywhere we are using English language. Right? Similarly, it is not like we are newly starting Sanskrit language. This is Sanskrit language is there among us. Right? So one of our language, whichever mother tongue is we have, or Indian languages we have, in every words are related to Sanskrit, right? It's not a tough language or difficult language, very easiest language among other languages, right? So after saying all this, so avakasham dattavadbhyah Samskrita bhasha prapancha samuha varishtan तथा च श्रोत्राणां कृते तथैव संचालकानां कृते अश्विना महोदयानां कृते अपि धन्यवादान् वितीर्य मया अत्रैव विरम्यते। पुनः ये श्रोतारः सन्ति फेसबुक लाइव मध्ये तेषां कृते अपि धन्यवादान् वितीर्य मत्कर्मणा विरमामि। धन्यवादाः।
नमस्ते, थैंक यू वेरी मच गणेश जी। अस्माकम् अद्य यः कार्यक्रमः आसीत् उद्घाटनम् इति अथवा प्रास्ताविकभाषणम् इति, अयं कार्यक्रमः अत्रैव समाप्यते। सो यहाँ पे आज का जो प्रोग्राम था प्रास्ताविक संदेश करके संस्कृत के बारे में, तो वो यहीं पे खत्म होगा। और अगले नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम कल जो 6 बजे होगा वो पंचांग परिचय, पंचांग के बारे में, ज्योतिष में जो पंच अंग है उसके बारे में स्पेशली सब्जेक्ट वाइज हम यहाँ पे इस ग्रुप में हम बताएंगे। वयम अत्र गणे पंचांग परिचयः इत्यस्मिन् विषये श्वः प्रस्तुतिः भविष्यति। सो पंचांग परिचय में प्रस्तुति होगी, और उसके बाद परसों साहित्य परिचय करके साहित्य के बारे में प्रस्तुति होगी, और व्याकरण के बारे में प्रस्तुति होगी, और दर्शन के बारे में प्रस्तुति होगी। इसलिए एक एक दिन एक एक विषय को लेकर हम इस ग्रुप के माध्यम से हम प्रस्तुति करने जा रहे हैं। सो आप सब लोग कल भी 6 बजे जुड़िए और हमारे साथ इस हफ्ते हमारे साथ रहिए, और जो इस कार्यक्रम का सफलता के लिए आप भी हमारे साथ रहिए। सो सर्वेभ्यः पुनः पुनः धन्यवादाः। अयं कार्यक्रमः ऐक्यमन्त्रेण समाप्यते, शान्तिमन्त्रेण समाप्यते। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Thank you everyone. Join tomorrow at 6 p.m. with Panchanga Parichaya. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you each and everyone who have taken a part of the session. So I request who those are here, please leave the comment. If you have doubt, please put it in a chat box. So we'll try to answer for those questions.